In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your Robinhood account for an ACATS transfer, making sure the process is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Once the website loads, log into your Robinhood account using your credentials. Take a moment to verify you're on the official website and you've signed in to the right account, as you'll be handling sensitive information. After logging in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Robinhood legend icon. Give that a click to open up your account menu. This area contains a lot of important settings and account details that you might need, especially if you're preparing your account for a transfer. Before beginning the transfer process, it's essential that you make sure you have enough cash in your account to cover the standard ACATS transfer fee. This is a fee that most brokerages, including Robinhood, charge when you transfer assets to another brokerage. If you don't have enough available cash to pay this fee, your transfer might be delayed or blocked, so it's important to check this first. To check your available cash, click on the account or profile section, then look for an area labeled Buying Power. This number reflects how much cash you currently have available in your account. If you find that your buying power is low or not enough to cover the ACATS fee, don't worry. Just go back to the account section, select transfers, and then choose Add Money. Follow the prompts to deposit additional funds. It's a good idea to add a little more than the exact fee amount, just in case, to avoid any interruptions. The next thing you'll need to do is handle any open fractional shares in your account. This is a really important part of the process because most brokerages won't accept fractional shares in an ACATS transfer. To do this, find and click on the investing option on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should see a list of all your holdings. Take a careful look for any stocks or ETFs that are held in fractions. That is, anything less than a whole share. You'll need to sell these fractional shares before your transfer. Don't worry, selling them is just like selling any other security. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once your fractional shares are sold, your portfolio will only contain whole shares, which can be successfully transferred. After these steps are complete, your Robinhood account is all set for an ACATS transfer. By making sure you have enough cash to cover the fee and closing out any fractional shares, you'll help ensure that your transfer goes through without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your account transfer.